welcome back to another makeup video. I don't know what that was. Please act like I didn't do that. I'm gonna do that again. Hi guys, and welcome back to another makeup video. And as you can tell from the title, today's video is a full face of e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm so excited. Is it e.l.f. Cosmetics or ELF Cosmetics? Because it stands for eyes, lips, face. I know that much. So technically it should be ELF Cosmetics, but everybody says e.l.f. Like people that work at the stores say e.l.f. Like I've heard people in Ulta say e.l.f. So I'm just gonna switch between e.l.f. and ELF. Please bear with me because this topic makes me really nervous. I recently found out that e.l.f. is in India now. It's available in India, and it's so sad that I had no idea that e.l.f. is not available in India, and I've been using these products in my past makeup videos. I am so sorry about that. But now that it's available in India, I thought why not do a full face of all the e.l.f. products that I love and use, and some e.l.f. products that are new, so y'all get a first impression and how I feel about them when I use them for the first time. So this is the look that I ended up creating using e.l.f. products only. And if y'all want to know how I created this look, please keep watching. So as I said, today is a full face of e.l.f. But I thought that instead of sitting here and just doing my full face, why not add a little must twist to the video. So I have invited to my makeup show a very new guest. Has never been on this channel. Are you all ready? The guest is not getting up actually. Are you all ready for the special guest? I bet you didn't expect that. Okay, so if you're guessing why Aishan is here, if you'll remember in the first skincare video that we did, Aishan guessed very easy beauty tools. But today I think I have outdone myself because I didn't even know some of these things. So I actually completely forgot what I'm talking about. Aishan is going to be guessing tools, beauty and girl tools that girls use.
But how is that fair if you don't know what it is?
No, I was just kidding. That's just exaggeration. I know every single thing on this list, but I don't use every single thing on this list. And alongside that, I'll be swatching and using all the new e.l.f. products, new and old actually, e.l.f. products, and do a full face of e.l.f. alongside that. Because I've noticed in my videos that I speak a lot of unnecessary things. So if Aishan is sitting here all the time, I'm going to keep myself in check because I do not want him just sitting here and looking at me do my makeup.
Cool.
So it's gonna like speed up the process as well.
Sweet.
Let's get started. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. This is your first tool. So until Aishan guesses what that is, the first product that I'm using today is that we're doing a full face of ELF Cosmetics, guys. This is their new daily hydration moisturizer. So from skincare to like setting spray, everything is going to be ELF today. So this is daily hydration moisturizer with purified water, jojoba and vitamin E, which is amazing, yummy skin food. Actually, still trying to figure out what that is.
First of all, this looks like a tongue scraper.
Ew! Anyway, so this is the first time I'm using this. I like the consistency of it already. It's very similar to Emollient. All my OG fam here on YouTube and Instagram know how much of an Emollient person we both are actually.
I feel like since it says tweezer, like tweezer men, it's something to remove hair.
It says that on it? Oh shit.
It says tweezer men.
Okay, so you don't technically get this point.
I think it's just to like remove facial hair. I don't know how you would remove facial hair. It looks like a slinky almost. But yeah, did I get it right?
Because it says tweezer man there.
Yeah, I mean I'm assuming that these little like
but how do you use
ridges are like this.
Okay, so this definitely has a very strong scent.
Yeah, it smells good.
Yeah, it smells good, but those who don't like fragrance in their skincare, I would just like to point that out. But it definitely feels amazing on the skin, especially to wear before makeup, because it has that slight tackiness, but also it's not uncomfortable. And to answer your question, yes, you're right. But Aishan, I'm going to not give you this point because I have used this product in one of our videos. That goes to show that you do not see the videos that I edit.
But how is this used?
You literally hold it with two sides and go like. So since that is like a spring,
Yeah.
it catches onto the hair and it just pulls it out.
That seems so painful.
Here is your next product. And for my next product, I'm using the ever so famous ELF Poreless Putty Primer. And as you can see, I don't need to explain myself. I am a huge fan. I use this a lot.
First of all, you're 0 for 2 because it says brow and lash comb. So I'm assuming it's for your brows and your lashes. You couldn't just like change the name of it?
How to change? The product has changed, guys. What is this?
Oh, this
Okay, now don't talk in between, okay? I don't know about poreless because I don't really see that much of a difference when it comes to like my pores, but it definitely softens my whole face and adds this like sheer glow, which you'll see in a second. But I only like press it in around my nose and my cheek area. As you can see, I wouldn't specifically buy this for the pore purpose, but it definitely adds like a nice sheer soft canvas for you to like work with.
Okay, I think this is something you clean your brushes off.
How do you know that?
I've seen TikTok videos where...
Why were you watching TikTok videos of beauty related stuff? Here's your next product, Aishan. I think this one's gonna have you shook it. Don't look!
I'm not looking. This looks like a toilet plunger.
Next up, I'm gonna let that primer sink in and I'm gonna fix my brows until then. And this spoolie and angle brush is also by ELF. For my brows, I'm gonna use my tried and tested brow gel by ELF. This gel is awesome.
Is it called ELF or ELF? I don't know what this is.
You're not ready for the answer, Aishan.
Does it have something to do with like your pores and cleaning it out?
No.
Because this looks like some sort of suction.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a hint. It's not a makeup or beauty product.
What?
Yeah, it's a girls. I said I'm gonna give you girls products. As you can see the difference for yourself, this gel is amazing and this is in the shade dark brown and it's their Wow Brow. It has instantly volumized my brows and if I had a pencil I wouldn't have these bald spots, but that's not the fault of the products. Are you ready?
Yeah.
It's a menstrual cup. That's about it for brows, guys. I would definitely say if you're gonna pick anything from today's video, Wow Brow has to make it your list. So next up we have one of the products that I recently got my hands on and I haven't been able to stop using. This is the ELF BB cream with SPF 20 and in a second you're gonna see why I have instantly fallen in love with this product. So I'm in the shade beige and buff mixed together, but I would say that the shade range for this is not that great. Their Camo CC cream has an amazing shade range, so if you're ready to splurge a little more than this, or if you do not find your shade in this, you could definitely go ahead and get that one.
This is for nail paint?
How do you know that?
I don't know. I just know.
How do you know that, bro? What do you mean for nail paint?
Like for your toes.
What do you mean?
To like separate them so you can paint them.
Did you Google it, Aishan, while I was speaking with them?
No, how will I Google it?
Oh my god, yes! As you can see, it says BB cream, but it literally is such high coverage.
Looks like a banana now, see?
So it was literally that easy. Did my skin just transform?
Yeah.
This BB cream literally gives me foundation level coverage. I cannot even see a single of my freckle other than these two. But yeah, I have fallen in love with these. So I would definitely recommend y'all pick these up if y'all see it anywhere. I'm gonna give Aishan another product to guess. Are you ready?
Oh, this you put in the fridge and it cools your pores off.
No,
Closes your pores, sorry.
But what is this?
It's like a roller.
What roller?
Pore roller. Pore closer. Essentially, I just said what it does.
That's not what
It
it
reduces
does.
puffiness on your eyes.
Okay, Mr. I'm a self-proclaimed dermatologist. The next one. Next, we have the ever so famous Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish. I am in the shade medium neutral light beige mixed. And if you guys don't know already, which is impossible if you'll follow makeup, you'll definitely know that these are like the exact dupe for the Shape Tape by Tarte. And I own Shape Tape. In fact, I find these to be better than the Shape Tape, honestly. Shape Tape dries out my under eyes very quickly. So I'm just gonna do that.
I think this is for your lipstick.
What do you mean for your lipstick? Just because it has a lip on it doesn't mean you can just say lipstick.
I think it's to like put on top of your lipstick to give it that slant. I don't know, actually. I'm just taking a wild guess.
This beauty sponge is also by e.l.f. and it's specifically for this concealer. I picked it up recently and it's my first time using it. Yeah, it just works as any other beauty sponge, I feel.
I'm not sure what this is.
It's basically a lip plumper. So you put it on your lip and create vacuum and keep it there for like some, and then later you pull it out. So as you can see, this concealer is ultimate. For the amount that I used, literally covers up everything. And most of the times when I'm using this concealer, I do not use anything else on my skin. And I'm not gonna set it, I'm gonna keep it as is. Moving on to bronzer. This is one of the new products. I never had a bronzer. Yeah, so this is the e.l.f. bronzer palette. This is the Bronzed Beauty. I'm definitely gonna not use the shiny one. I'm gonna use the matte ones, and I'm gonna use some random bronzer brush. I completely forgot. So this is their lip scrub in the shape of lip balm, and it literally takes out all the dead skin in like 2 seconds. But as you can see, it took off all my dead skin. So moving on to bronzer as we were. What does bronzer do, Aishan?
Gives it that metallic look, you know? Makes your skin more bronze. Keeps your skin shiny.
What did it do to my face?
And made it more defined.
Yes. But yeah, I like it. It actually did the job and it blended easily. Even though I had not set my base with powder, it didn't like get patchy anywhere, and it's not glowy, which is what I love. It's like a satin finish almost. It's not even extra matte. Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm not looking though.
What is this, Aishan?
This?
I'm gonna use this same shade to contour my nose slightly, not much, because it anyways is not harsh at all.
This looks like a magnifying glass almost. I guess it's used like to put in front of your face to see like certain things. Like if you're looking in the mirror, you put this in front of it and it like zooms up into your pore or something. What do you think of that answer?
As creative as that answer was, it's absolutely not used for that. Once that's done, next we're gonna use, I don't own any highlight from e.l.f. but I do have this one e.l.f. jelly highlight in the shade Bubbly, and it is literally the exact color of my top. Yeah, I have used it, but I don't remember because I used it a long time ago. It's like, as you can see, and it's almost like a liquid, like jelly highlighter. That's what it says it is.
Still waiting for the answer.
That is a beauty blender.
How? It's glass.
It's not glass, it's silicone. Okay, so this was a super duper hit. I don't know why I didn't remember I owned this until I decided to do this video. What is this, Aishan?
This, first of all, looks like chess pieces.
Finally, moving on to my most favorite part of any video. What is my most favorite part of every video?
Eyeshadow.
You're not supposed to
that's
see.
the only thing that's left.
Huh?
That's the only thing that's left.
No, there are so many other things left. So yeah, this is my most favorite. If I had to pick one thing that I was most excited to talk about, it was these. These are their bite-sized eyeshadow palettes, which are $3 each, and they have, like, if I'm not wrong, around 8 or 9 of these of different like color stories. These literally are high-end level of pigment, and you will see that in a second. What is it?
This looks like the back of an earring.
It is! These are so creamy and so buttery. This one's a transition shade, that's why it's not looking as pigmented, but it goes beautifully on the eye. This one is Berry Much or something. Berry Me. Yeah, Berry Bad. I'm so sorry. As you can see, the payoff is so good. It's literally high end. So basically, Aishan is gonna let me finish my eyes because I need to concentrate. And then we're gonna continue this, otherwise this video is going to be never ending. And this is the other one, and this is their Cream and Sugar. These shades are beautiful. Oh my god, these are relatively new, and this one is the other one that I just poked a hole into, brand new. But yeah, these also are such good quality. This is their Prism palette, and rightfully so, they're very, very prismy. I also have these eyeshadow, like liquid glitter eyeshadow. This one is Bling Bling. Filthy Birdie is literally my favorite because it is a warm toned shadow, but it has big like silver chunks of silver in it, which looks so beautiful on the lid. So for my transition shade, I'm going into the Berry Bad palette. These are so cute, so on the go. Just gonna take like a fluffy brush and go with this shade all over my lid. So now that I have like that sweet little pink wash on my lid, I'm gonna take this shade and precisely just do the crease and outer corners. And I'm gonna use a little more concentrated brush for that. Just the different colors, but as you can see, these eyeshadows are so beautiful. I'm just gonna place another layer of that dark burgundy very close to my eyelid using this. Now I'm gonna take this brown from the Cream and Sugar palette and just create like a wing-like look. So once that's done, I'm gonna take this shade from the Berry Bad. So for my inner corners and my highlight, since I don't have a highlight from e.l.f., I'm going to use one of these Prism shades. I'm going to go in with one of these. I'm going to take the same berry shade, this one, on my lower lash line as well, and mix it a little bit with this metallic shade. Okay, so that's about it with the eyeshadow. Just for trying sakes, I'm gonna add a little bit of the Filthy Birdie metallic. Whoa. It dries really quickly, so make sure that you've blended it fast. Okay, moving on to blush, we have two options. I have these primer infused blushes. This is the Always Spicy, and I have these blush duos, and I have two shades in them, Watermelon and White Peach. These are exact dupes for the Cover FX blush duos, and I'm gonna use, I think, this one today with my shadow. I'm gonna add a little bit of this just so that you can see how it looks. I'm gonna do the blush first and then add this one a little bit because I already have highlight on and the thing on. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this. That is honestly so beautiful. I don't think I'm gonna add the highlight. Even with the highlight, it looks very, very pretty. A little bit on the nose. Okay, moving on to lips. I have 3 options here. This is the Seriously Satin. This is a liquid lipstick which is very old, but that is definitely not gonna go with my eye look, so I'm not gonna do this. But this is a very long lasting formula. I think I'm gonna do this and then top it off with this gloss in the shade Moody. So let's do that. Definitely a little too bright for this. Okay, I think let's just do the gloss directly. Oh, that's beautiful actually. This is also a new product. I didn't have a mascara from e.l.f. so I picked up this new Lash It Loud mascara. Quickly just gonna for the price. I paid $6 for this. I would say that there are better, like the Essence mascaras are 1000 times better than this and they are cheaper. But honestly, with mascaras in the first application, you can't really save much. So if my opinion changes about these, I will let you all know on my Instagram or something. Okay, so finally we've reached the last step. I usually use the e.l.f. coconut and argan oil mist. You guys must have seen me use that, but sadly I couldn't find it, so I had to go ahead and purchase this illuminating mist and set. I'm gonna go ahead and use that. It's a little compact bottle. Let's check the mist on it. Oh, aggressive. Okay, first of all, this smells like shit, but it definitely did illuminate. I'm gonna quickly get rid of all the shine here. Okay, so that is a whole face of e.l.f. cosmetics. e.l.f. is definitely worth trying if y'all haven't tried it before, and I'm so excited that it's finally in India and you guys can love the products I've been loving and I mentioned multiple times, and I'm so sorry for not knowing that they don't have e.l.f. in India. Okay, so as I said, that's about it for today's video. We hope you really enjoyed and we cannot wait to see you guys again.